This is Gabriel with ProX Live Performance Gear, InfoComm 26. We are exclusive distributor of Santosom in Portugal, and they come up with a very nice solution for every console out there. This is for the MA3, and it has the two drawers. You could leave your keyboards over here. You could put your mouse pad on the side, which is adjustable over here. Let me show it to you. So Santosom always come up with the great solutions, great ideas. It holds two monitors on the top, and to fold it, easy. Also, this product, it comes with LEDs, and all the cables is pre-wired for you just to drop your console and ready to go. If you take a look at the back side of this case, you have all the wiring has been already made. This is a solution for customers just to drop their console, put the two monitors, and ready to go. If you have any questions about this product, please check proxdirect.com for Santosom section.